How to install Windows 10 in VMware Workstation 17. So installing Windows 10 in VMware Workstation 17 involves several straightforward steps here. As I mentioned, the very first thing is that you need to have VMware 17 installed on your host machine. There should be Windows 10 ISO file downloaded from Microsoft website and a valid Windows 10 product key, the optional for testing purposes, right? So now how you can do so. So create a new virtual machine, open your VMware here and click on create a new virtual machine. Choose either typical or a custom, whichever you like. Just go for advanced or more user. Typical is sufficient, right? And if you're using ISO file, choose the installer disk image file and browse to select the downloaded Windows. Select installer disk and ensure that DVD is in the drive, right? And select this operating system as a Microsoft Windows and versions Windows 10 64-bit and click next. Enter the name for your virtual machine and choose a location to store it. Click next. And set the disk size 60 GB and choose whether to store the disk as a single file or split into multiple files. Click next. Click on customize hardware if you wish to adjust settings like memory or CPU or core and network settings. Ensure that virtualization options are enabled, such as virtualize Intel VT slash EPT or AMD V slash RVI is applicable. Click close, then click finish. Select your new virtual machine and click on power on the virtual machine. When prompted, press any key to boot from the CD, DVD or ISO. Now here you can see this process how you can install Windows 10. Select your language, click install. You have to enter, or select I don't have a product key. If you have the product key, then the steps become really small here. Now complete the installation, install VMware tools, and that's it. After installing VMware tools, restart your virtual machine when prompted to complete this setup. This is it. Thanks for watching.